Yeah, as my new friend said, my name is Olivier. I'm currently working at Puzzle ITC, and I'm also a board member of CH Open. Short about CH Open, we are an association for promotion of open source software and open standard in Switzerland, similar as you know, maybe the OSBA here in Germany. So since 1982, we are the oldest IT professional association in Switzerland. So we also run several nice conferences in Switzerland, Bern and Zurich. So if you are interested, check out our website or just come and ask me. So I would like to use the chance to speak about public money and public code. I don't have to explain that in this round, but I can give you a glimpse how we do deal that in Switzerland. So since the 1st of January 2024, we have a new law in Switzerland, and it's called the Bundesgesetz über den Einsatz elektronischer Mittel zur Erfüllung von Behördenaufgaben, short EMBAG. Very complicated, I have to read it every time, but it's very important. Because in article number 9, open source is mentioned, and our federal administration is obligated to publish source code they build or they developed by themselves or let developed, they have to publish them. So far so good. The question arises, how does the federal publish source code? The Federal Chancellery, Bundeskanzlei, published resources to establish a good support for open source and make the federal able to publish source code. By the way, these guidelines are also open source, published under a license, so you can use it and remix it or adapt it to your own needs. So in a matter of open source, we don't build them from scratch. There was a canton of Bern in Switzerland. They already had guidelines, so we use them and reuse them for the government. So, what does it happen after this? I brought you some example. One is a public tender that was released last summer, and there was the EMBAG was mentioned. So EMBAG was a part, and also ISO standard about open source. Moreover, they reserved the right to publish the software they build under a GPL license, and the SPOM file is required. So a first impact of this new law was already taking place. So was it all new now? No. We from CH Open run an OSS benchmark. So we collect all the repos in GitHub from federals, and you can see there is already some repos that are public available from the federal organizations. Moreover, we have a CH Open directory you find on our website, where we also collect information what's going on in Switzerland according to open source. One other example is the Trust Broker Swiss. It's an aggregation identity provider and relies parties together. And this was also produced by the Swiss government, and the city of Zurich already take interest in this project, and now a small community start growing around this open source code, and I hope they will get bigger even outside Switzerland. Nevertheless, our Swiss eID ecosystem is also on GitHub. They run several discussions in GitHub. You can participate there, and also the source code will be published as an open source licensing. So that was for my side. So not everything goes well in the world actually. So keep on open sourcing and use the actual moment for open source. Thank you very much.